Hey y'all, it's Brianna. Make sure you like and subscribe, like my videos right now, because I'm doing the first 4-person. No, it was like 8 of them or 10. I think 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is 9. 3, 6, 9. I should count it like that. So I'm doing nothing today. I'm at night time. I just wanted to do a video. I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy. This is gonna be a short video. Look at this Barbie doll. Whee! I'm Barbie. You wanna play Barbies? Do you wanna play? Hey, I'm Barbie. Hey, I'm Ken. Hey, I'm Ken. Guys, I'm gonna try to make a song, a YouTube song. No, a song for you guys, cause the other song, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. Nah. Look at this baby. I'm baby. That's baby. So, tonight I wanted to do a video. Because I wanted to here, look at this balloon. Let me show them balloon. Here's my pink balloon. I'm going to pour the water. Here. Yeah, I spit on it. Look, y'all. Y'all, look at this shell. Why you got that balloon in your mouth? Look at this shell. I missed the shell. I have a big one too. Like I have a big shell. And we have a cupcake for our baby. We got a cupcake. I'm gonna eat the delicious cupcake. I want cupcakes on that. Oh, we have this squishy. I never show y'all this when I was doing my videos. I got some lifesavers. I'm gonna eat some. Why you getting everything? The squishy. Look at that. Roar. Look at that. And his little basket. Really? Why you getting all these homemade fidgets? Where's real ones? She gave me homemade. Who homemade these? Me. By myself. Oh, look at this. Y'all gonna love this one. Ice cream squishy. It looks like real ice cream, right? Ew. I didn't eat it. Why you acting like that? This is like for some math. I'll still eat it. Gimme. Ooh, you guys. Wah. Why you give me everything? Like, seriously? Why you give me Hello Kitty swag? Why she give me everything? Why you give me everything? Seriously? Why she give me another? No, why she give me Breeze Fashion Toys? She give me everything. Why you give me this car? Vroom, it's gone. You get everything. Skittles. She gave me Skittles. Why you give me Gumdrop? Give me Squishy. Look at that. Wee, that's so pretty. Can you start getting on me these fidgets? Seriously, why you giving me a pink strawberry version? Why you giving me everything? Why you giving me a heart squishy? Why? Don't tell me you got more. Put it around. Bruh. Ooh, these are pretty. Go watch that video when I did this. No, a TikTok when I did the video of these. I had these same glasses on. I'm gonna put it on for you guys. I'm gonna put on my glasses. Thank you. Why you giving me this? Give me everything. Why you giving me a pencil? A colored pencil. I made homemade. Nah, I didn't make the pencil. I just made this thing. This. Why you giving me a band for my hair? Okay, thank you. You getting me dressed up. Pretty. Why you give me a cupcake? It's not real. Why you give me a keychain?